Yes.
Hey. We just got done voting. We're listening to Justin Timberlake. We are Americans.
We listen to Justin.
We listen to Justin Timberlake. Don't hit the black guy, dude.
That's what the Americans do.
That's what Americans do.
Alright, put your fucking seatbelt on.
Sorry. Well, we're almost there.
Oh, hello.
Americans don't wear
Remember my
seatbelts.
car accident?
Look at that baby. I don't know how I feel about recording us anymore. It kind of creeps me out just a tiny bit.
Stop.
Now listen up. Come on, baby, let's go.
Look at that woman.
Oh God, let's listen to this podcast, please. Yeah, she's sexy. Dude.
That woman.
Oh God, you're staring at me, man.
That woman.
I bet you're not going to be able to see any of this.